Hey guys, welcome to BdThemes. In this video, we will walk you through the BdThemes User Account Dashboard management. Please watch this video to get full control over all the features in your user account dashboard. Let's start. Having your account dashboard in BdThemes is easy and free for everyone. So, you can click on the Account button from the BdThemes homepage. It will take you to the login window. If you don't have an account, you can click on the Register link below the Login button to register yourself. The registration process is a secure method to onboard you. You will see an email field where you can put your active email address. Then you are required to send a verification link to your email. Once you do that, you will receive a confirmation email from BdThemes. You can open the email and click on the Verify button there. This will open a verified user information form that you need to fill out to access your dashboard. Just enter your name and password and click Register to complete the process. Upon successful entry, you will be logged into your account dashboard. Here, the dashboard welcomes you with a short message, and you can see all premium BdThemes products lined up right below. Scrolling down, quick links at the bottom take you to affiliate signup, knowledge base, YouTube video tutorial channel, and benefits page simultaneously. Right beside that, you can find our social media channels to connect with the community. The social links are also available at the bottom footer. Anyway, you can access each of the quick links directly from your dashboard. So, in case you need to sign up as an affiliate, you can easily do that here. The same goes for the knowledge base. As well as for the YouTube video tutorial channel. The benefits page, however, lists out our official patterns and their deals. Now, scrolling up, the Welcome dashboard also features the latest post released by BdThemes. Also, the top panel lets you switch the interface appearance between dark mode and light mode. The notification bell there enables you to access the product announcements. Also, you can use the Share Ideas tab here to submit your feature requests or vote for existing ones. Next, by clicking your profile icon, you can see the profile settings along with additional options. Your name and email are displayed here. By accessing the profile option, you can update your personal information and profile avatar. The other profile options let you change passwords, redeem product codes, view refund logs, manage your payment profile, and view profile activity logs. Then, on the left side of the dashboard, you will find the product list. You can expand the list to show the names of the tabs here. Clicking on a product tab will reveal more information. In case you have purchased a product, a dot will appear beside the product tab, and you will be able to see the license information inside. For products you have not purchased, the tab will show feature information and an email field. In case you purchased a product with a different email, you can insert the email address here and click on Add to Product button. This will send a verification link to the purchased email, and upon verification, the product will be added to your dashboard. In the case of purchasing from the same email, you don't have to verify manually like this. Also, you can click on the Purchase Now button to access our Fast Spring pricing page to purchase your favorite add-ons. However, the dashboard also provides quick access to corresponding product pages. You can also visit there and make purchases through the pricing page. The checkout process is easy. Just select your package, add a coupon if you have one, and then proceed to checkout by filling out the checkout form. In the checkout form, you can also modify your cart instantly. However, If you received a redeem code for the products, you will need to use the redeem option under your profile to acquire the package. It's easy and doesn't require any extra hassle. The redeemed package will be added to your dashboard, and you will see a redeem counter for it. The Product tab also lets you download the product files if you click on the Download Files button. Inside, you will find the latest premium plugin version, along with themes and extra feature plugins offered by BdThemes. If you download plugins from the dashboard, you will see a counter stating the number of times you have downloaded them. After downloading, you can install the product on your website right away. But you need to activate the license in order to use the premium features. And to do that, you will need to enter your purchase email, in this case, the account email, and the license code for the product. Once activated, the plugin interface will display a valid license message. At the same time, you will see the active website counter going up from your Account Product tab. By clicking on the active domain information, you can view the corresponding domain where you use the license. This is where you can see already bound domains and unbind them if you need. You can track previous activity through the Domain Logs option. To unbind a domain, simply click on the trash icon under Action. Doing this will free up your license, and you can use it again on a new domain. You can also deactivate the license from the website manually. Both works. Now, whether the license is activated or not, the Accounts dashboard provides you methods of protecting your product license. In order to do that, you can access the Protect Domains option. On the pop-up window, you can insert your domains in the field below. Then, from the Check Type option, you need to define what the domains are about. Without defining the check type, the form will throw error. In this case, these are full URLs. Like that, you can add domains that start with a specific character, or define a specific word that the domains have in common to list them. After listing, you can change the protection type from the protection settings. Selecting No Check will not perform any action, but selecting Whitelist will make sure the license can only be activated on the selected domain. Others will be blocked. And selecting Blacklist will prevent the selected domains from activating the license, while others will be able to activate. That settles about the domain controls. Also, you can view your invoices by going into the Payment History tab from the dashboard. In case not all invoices are displayed, you can click on the Sync Now button to refresh the data server. Once you view an invoice, you can also download it to your local drive. And that's all about the BdThemes Accounts dashboard experience. If you have any suggestions, feel free to comment. Thanks for staying with BdThemes. Please enjoy your dashboard.